We've been on what I call the Papillon diet.
Sure, with Dustin Hoffman.
Right. So we're
the Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
When you look at three-dimensional images on a two-dimensional canvas, it's really an optical illusion. And this optical illusion is a byproduct of different forms of shades, different forms.
Love fragrance.
Tell me about that.
And be careful with the toothpaste in the sink. It can actually clog it. It can actually cause like an epoxy. That's
I amp up
Cost. I'm ready.
Brad Garrett, you're on a show called Everybody Loves Raymond. Did you?
My age, I like to eat something healthy so I don't become a fat bastard. No offense.
Yeah. Quarantining. Yes. You been quarantining? How's it going so far? I mean, there's nothing to do, but
I've forgotten it already.
Hey, nut butter. I like a little nut in my butter.
You ready to?
No, I.
I'm like a kind of soca music, like kind of